Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook account is not eligible for setup on Shopify. First, go to your web browser. Here, search for Shopify. Now, open Shopify. Then, you need to log into your account. Click on your store to continue. Once you're in, click on Sales Channels. Here you'll find Facebook and Instagram as installed channels. Click on Facebook and Instagram channel. This page will be opened. Now click on Settings from your bottom left. Here, go to Edit right next to your billing information. First, select your country from the list. Next, you need to enter your complete address. Then, select the city. After that, add your zip code and click on the Save button on your top right. Now close this tab. Here, click on Facebook and Instagram. Click on Start Setup to continue. Make sure your account follows all of these given conditions to set up the Shopify shop. Your account should be well established rather than a brand new account. Also, make sure you have owner or admin permissions. Lastly, make sure you have a Facebook professional account. If your account is ready for setup, click on Next to continue. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.